Hi, my name's Alan Cohen. I'm president of Cohen Sons, a business that has been here for almost 100 years. I've been here 55 years. We grew up with no computer operated machines. We've obviously tried to keep up with the times by getting the best equipment we can to help us become more efficient and handle the demand from our customers while workforces are shrinking in the United States. What Bodor Laser does for us is that it gives us the ability to be diverse and push the envelope on what others can do. So having this equipment really helps us become better at what we do. It's more efficient and we can deliver a better product. Currently, we have two Bodor machines. We have the T2 6 kilowatt, and we have a P4, which is a 30 kilowatt plate laser with a bevel head. This, for our application, this machine has saved us. In a normal situation, you could expect a payback on a piece of equipment in 5 years. You could normally get a payback in 5 years. For the T2, we were able to recover our costs on one job. So the rest of it now is basically free. On the P4, we're doing beveling that would take a person a day, which we could do in 5 minutes. So the efficiency, the accuracy, the ease of use is all important, but none of this matters if you're down. If you're down, you can't get service, that's a problem. Bodor has been extremely proactive in helping us get from a down situation to up and working again within 24 hours.
Hello, my name is LaSway from Cohen Sons, and right now I'm actually cutting a 1/2-inch plate of pickled and oiled steel. So far, the Bodor machine is actually a pretty good machine. The quality of a cut is good as long as we fine tune it.
Because we're so impressed with Bodor, we bought a third machine, another tube cutter, to cut larger diameter pipes up to 20 inches, and we're putting it right here.
So it's no one can predict the future, but Bodor is cutting edge when it comes to development of new products. Their stuff is made well. They're thinking about how to keep current. They're developing new products all the time, and we're using their products because they are cutting edge. The Chinese are making great equipment. They have become the manufacturers of the world. We, in this country, if we intend to stay current, the least we can do is buy the best equipment available on the market. And that's what we think about Bodor.
Bodor, dare to dream.